What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I'm super excited because I'm going to be giving away the Lionsteel ROK Red Aluminum Integral. Thank you to Harry Gage or Shaker MT for donating this knife to the channel. Awesome donation. So for those of you who don't know what's going on, a week ago I announced that I'd be giving this knife away because I hit my goal of 70 patrons. Basically, I set a goal and I said as soon as we hit that goal, I'm going to be opening up a free to enter giveaway for everybody. Not just patrons, not just subscribers, literally everybody, though it does help to be subscribed because I do this a lot. In fact, I'll be doing another one the moment I hit 80 patrons. So if you want to help me reach that goal, follow the link in the description to my Patreon, have a look around, and then if you'd like to help support me, you can join any tier. It counts. So we're going to be using the same website, comment picker, today. Like I said, if you didn't get a chance to enter this one, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure your notifications are set to all because we will definitely be doing this again. I also, for those of you wondering, you know, is there any incentive to joining Patreon? I do once a week Patreon exclusive content. So if you're interested in that or getting your hands on a sticker, like I said, just have a look around. Anyway, same rules apply for this giveaway. You must be at least 18 years of age to enter and win. You also need to be able to provide me with an address inside the continental United States. You don't have to live in the United States. You just need to be able to provide an address. So a friend, a family member, or somebody from the knife community you really trust, I'm okay with sending there first, and then they can send it to you. You have exactly 1 week to claim the prize. After that, we'll be drawing a different name. That's only happened once, but it did happen, so I have to say that. So this website, basically what it does, I've got the link for the website typed in there. Anybody who wants to check and make sure that's the actual link, you're welcome to. That's fine. Once I hit get YouTube comments, geez, I'm stuttering. It will get unique comments. So everybody has a fair and equal opportunity to win this. Your comment will be counted once. So if you commented 5 times, it doesn't matter. You're only going to get counted once. Let's go ahead and do that. That's the link for the video for the original announcement of the giveaway. So once we get going here, it's going to be over 421 unique comments. So if you entered within the last week, you're amongst those 421. So what we're going to do here is click start on this start raffle. Rest assured, it's not actually a raffle because nobody had to pay anything to enter. People who decided to join Patreon didn't get an extra chance. They supported me of their own free will. So let's go ahead and hit start. Here we go. Who wins the Lionsteel ROK? Jeremy Elliott. I asked, the question was, you know, what's your favorite knife under $50? Sub 50, Rat1. Thanks for the giveaway. Hey, you're welcome, Jeremy Elliott. Please send your shipping information to metalcomplex87@gmail.com. I always mess up my email address. Check the link in the description, or check in the description. I'll have left my actual email address and it's spelled out correctly and everything like that. But go ahead and message me. You are the winner, so I'll get that shipped out. Congratulations, guys. Like I said, I do these giveaways a lot. So if you want to be a part of it, or you just want to enjoy daily knife content, subscribe to my channel because I like to do knife reviews, knife overviews, unboxings, discussion videos. I've got a Quest for the Perfect Budget Knife series on Saturdays and a Knife Guy series on Sundays. And I like to give stuff away. So if that all sounds good to you, hit subscribe, like, share, all that stuff. Thanks for everybody who has supported me. Thanks for everybody who's been viewing my channel. This is awesome. Love the growth. I'm going to keep doing it. Guys, if you want to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I don't like, so check that stuff out. And if you enjoy all my content, click on this Metal Complex logo, and once again, subscribe to my channel, because like I said, there's more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.